Hey everyone, today I'll be doing these 6 simple head wrap styles. Trust me, them well easy. Stay tuned. The first head wrap I'll be doing today is a low bun head wrap. I'll be using a Jamaican flag design. I did halfway. This is all my art there. So the longer side should be in a horizontal position, then you're going to fold it in half. Now you're going to position the folded section on your head. Gently make a tie at the back and ensure that you tuck so it can be tight and smooth at the top and at the side. Then I twisted the entire thing and made a knot. The knot probably look a little complex, but you do have to do this exact knot. You can do the regular circle knot. I do my edges before I start, but the back is atrocious. It does don't look right. The second head wrap is also a low bun, but the bun is very big. I'm using an African print here. What I did was I folded the material in a triangle and positioned it on the front of my head. So the first wrap was not working out. It was going too far back, so I had to start over. So yeah, I'm exhausted. After doing that again, all I did was twisted the material and bring it around in a circle and tuck, because the material has a lot of raw edges, so you don't want those to be showing. The only hard part about this wrap is because the material is a lot. It's a lot of material going on your head. That was the only difficult, but this was easy. I realized my edges weren't showing, which defeated the purpose of doing them anyways. So if you're like me and want to show baby hairs, you can bring back the material and tuck in the back to ensure that it's smooth. So this one we're doing a front top bun. Fold it in a triangle. Ensure the folded section is at the back of your head, then you're going to tie it at the front. Ensure it's tight enough but not too tight. After tucking everything securely, you're going to twist it at the front and then roll in a circle. So in the meantime, while you're rolling, ensure that you position it correctly and you fix it and tuck in the top. Yeah, this one is very simple. This one is, I think it's my favorite. The next one, this is the same material. You're going to also fold it in a triangle, but instead of putting it at the back, you're going to put it at the front. So now you're going to make a tie at the back. So there's a third piece. What you're going to do is to roll it and tuck it neatly in the middle, then tighten the knot. You're going to now twist the two pieces that you're left with and then tuck them on each side. So the left twist go on the right side, the right twist go on the left side. The next one, it's the same material, very similar style. Instead of doing two, you're just going to do one twist. So just take it down, roll it into one, then just tuck it under on the left or the right, whichever you prefer. So the last one, this is a turban style. So you're going to take some extra material, put it on your head. Now using another piece of material, you're going to fold it in a triangle, place the folded section at the back of your head and make a tie at the front. The third piece that's in the middle, you're going to tuck it in. Now kind of flatten the other two sides and wrap the left piece to the right and vice versa. When both pieces are at the back, you're going to do the same. Then carry them to the side and tuck them in. Ensure that the piece them stay flat while doing all of this. You don't want them to be rolled or twisted. This is not a look people normally go for. This is a special occasion. For instance, well, not special, but for instance, a photo shoot, or you just want to look like a Rasta man or a Rasta woman. So yeah, it all depends. So this concludes my head wrap video. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. For those who aren't following me on Instagram, you can follow, which I think everybody is already following me. But I'll see you in the next video.